Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to fix a blocked Wise account quickly. Getting locked out can be stressful, but following these steps can help you regain access fast. Let's get started. First, open the Wise website on your PC or the Wise app on your phone and try to log in. Next, check for any email notifications from Wise explaining why your account was blocked. This often contains important instructions. Then, gather your account information, including your registered email, full name, and any recent transactions. Now, go to the Wise Help Center and submit a support request explaining that your account is blocked and you need assistance. Include your account details for faster verification. After that, follow any identity verification steps requested by Wise, such as uploading an ID or answering security questions. Finally, wait for Wise support to lift the block. Once confirmed, log in and check your account balance to ensure everything is accessible. That's it. Fixing a blocked Wise account is straightforward when you provide the correct information and follow the support steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.